Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Printful account for US print-on-demand orders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Printful account for US print-on-demand orders, begin by logging into your Printful account. Navigate to the Settings section in your account dashboard. Locate the API tab within the Settings menu. Click on the API tab to access your API key. If you don't have an API key yet, generate one by clicking on the option provided. Copy the generated API key and keep it secure for future use. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to your e-commerce platform. Log into your e-commerce platform's admin panel. Find the Settings or Integrations section within the platform. Search for the Printful integration option in your platform. Follow the prompts to install the Printful app or plugin. Once installed, you will be asked to enter your API key. Paste the API key you copied from your Printful account into the designated field. Proceed by clicking the Authenticate or Connect button. After successful authentication, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to your Printful account to verify the connection status. Check if your e-commerce platform successfully syncs with Printful. Ensure all product information is up to date. If necessary, adjust any settings related to shipping and fulfillment preferences. Test the connection by placing a sample order through your e-commerce platform. Monitor the order through both your e-commerce dashboard and the Printful account. This will confirm that everything is functioning correctly for US print-on-demand orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.